Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn whether or not it is possible for us to use Telegram without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So whenever I open up Telegram, right off the bat, the very first thing it asks me to is to simply enter my phone number. So as you can see that there is no any other way that I can use Telegram without a phone number. Now unfortunately, let me tell you, you can't use Telegram without a phone number, but does not mean you can't use it at all, because even if you might not have a real legalized phone number which is named on your citizenship or legal details, you can still create an account using a virtual phone number. And there are numerous legal websites out there. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, which I cannot discuss in depth in this particular video, but there are some websites that does offer you just virtual numbers where you will also get the code, so you can instead use a virtual number for Telegram instead of using your real phone number. I'll make sure to drop a few links of the websites in the description box below so you can check that out. But other than that, there is no other way. You can create with an email, you can create with anything, but if you don't have a real phone number, as I said, you can also create with a virtual phone number. So hope this video helped to clear your doubts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.